This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Kattos. Renovated one-level living in the Sparkman District. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan with fireplace, an expansive laundry room, and a stylish kitchen with shiplap accents, stainless appliances, and large dining area. Both bathrooms are updated, including a spa-like primary bath with a frameless glass shower. The isolated primary suite has a walk-in closet, and updates include roof, gutters, privacy fence, and 2-car garage with workshop. Enjoy outdoor living with sliding doors leading to a tall privacy fence and gated backyard. Convenient to Highway 53, USDA eligible, and no HOA. For more information, review the details below.